Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learning English Speaking. So our today's topic is, yesterday we learned that what skill is, which is the most important skill for learning speaking English. Today we will see that if you don't have environment, the most important question comes in front of me. Most of the people say that, ma'am, how can we learn English speaking? Because we don't have any environment. Neither in our home, mom, dad, sister, brother, nobody speaks English. I'm living in a village. People are illiterated. They don't speak English. So how can I learn English speaking? So no problem. You believe in yourself. When you want to do something, you should say, I can do it, and believe in yourself. 100% you will get success in whatever you want to do. Fine? I think it seems nice listening all these sentences, but this is truth. This is truth. Believe in yourself and say always, I can do. Now there are few things you can do to improve your English speaking. Few things you should note down, or you should learn, or you should listen to me very carefully. There are few things, with the help of those you can improve your English speaking. First of all, you will speak your English speaking if you don't have any supportive environment. So what is supportive environment? Supportive environment is where you can get support from your all around. कोई भाई बता रहा है, कोई दोस्त बता रहा है, कुछ बता रहा है. अगर ऐसा, if you don't have such supportive environment, so don't worry at all. Now, first thing I told you, believe in yourself. What you should believe in yourself? Believe that you can speak very good English. You can speak English always. Nobody can stop you from speaking English. This should be the spirit. If you will have this type of spirit, nobody on earth can stop you for learning English speaking. Then one thing you have noticed: first, you should believe in yourself. Second, you should believe that you can speak English very well. And now third thing, which is very important, is dream like as you are speaking English and in front of so many people are there and you are speaking in English. Dream like that always. Always think in your mind. Have dreams that I am speaking in front of the people. I can speak English. There is no problem. That is very easy. Now, next thing what comes is, for our learning English speaking, being a fluent English speaker, what is that? To speak with whatever you know. Whatever you know. You know few words, no problem. You know few vocabularies, no problem. Always try to use those words, whatever you know, in your small sentences. To speak with whatever you know. Try and fail, no problem, because you are learning something. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. You should try again. स्टोरी आपने सुनी होगी, try again से, वो चीटी वाली के ट्राई करने में कहाँ दियो. You don't leave your practice. Try and speak in English, and you will be, very soon you will become a fluent speaker in English. Now, when you are speaking, sometimes you think, because their people are not speaking in English, they are speaking in native language, so they will make mockery of you, they will laugh at you. Don't worry about them. Don't care about the people. Whatever they are doing, whether they are laughing or making mockery of you, don't care about that. You go on speaking, go on doing your work. आप अपना काम करते जाइए. आप किसी की तरफ ध्यान मत दीजिए कि कोई आपके लिए क्या सोच रहा है. उसको तो इंग्लिश नहीं सीखनी. यू हैव टू लर्न इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. सो डोंट केयर अबाउट द पीपल, डोंट केयर अबाउट द अदर्स whosoever are laughing at you, or whosoever are noticing your mistakes and always telling you are wrong. No problem. Tell them, if I am wrong, please correct me. Tell me, how should I speak? Ask them. They will help you then. They will tell your mistakes. You improve those and you start speaking with those words. Then, give up before trying. Giving up before trying is a foolishness. And don't do that foolishness. Never give up before trying. First try and if you will try, you will pass the examination, no problem. Then comes, what is the reason that you can speak your native language so fluently at home? What is the reason? Can you tell me? Tell me in my comment, that in the comment section, that why it is why there is no problem in speaking native language. Because you use that language in your daily routine. You use those words in your daily routine. So for learning English speaking, you first of all, what you should do is, if you are sitting in a room, try to learn the names of things which are there present in the room. बहुत सारी चीज़ें कमरे में रखी रहती हैं. Try to know the names of those things. So how many at least there will be 10 to 15 things in your room. So you will learn the names of those things. Means you have added to your vocabulary. Means 10 to 15 words you added to your vocabulary. Now with those words, make small sentences. If there is a bed, you can say, this bed is very nice. If there is a mirror, you can say, this mirror is small or this mirror is big. Fan in your room, oh, beautiful fan it is. मतलब you learn the names of the things in your room first of all. So you will add to your vocabulary in this way. Then talk to yourself. If you don't find any companion, talk to yourself. Talk to yourself in English. If you are sitting in the room, you see the things, know the name of a thing, books are lying there, so you can say, these books, I can read these books. Speak to yourself. Speak aloud. ऐसा नहीं कि मरमरिंग मुंह में कर रहे हैं. Speak aloud. Speak with yourself. Find the things, know the names. But remember one thing. If you know the names, if you learn the names, if you learn the names of the things in your room and don't use in your sentences or don't speak those words, then there is no use of doing all this. You learn the vocabulary, you learn the names of the things, you then use those words in your sentences and then speak those sentences many times to make yourself in the habit of speaking English. Then there will be no problem for you. I can see eat English, drink English, play English, sleep English, हर चीज़ इंग्लिश. ईट इंग्लिश, स्पीक इंग्लिश. ये नहीं कि इंग्लिश को कोई खाने की चीज़ है, ये पीने की चीज़. मीन्स वॉट एवर यू डू इन योर डेली रूटीन, यूज द English sentences only, small sentences only. Wrong, no problem. Right, no problem. Grammatical mistake, no problem. Don't care about all. But go on. When you will try and try again, you will improve your English speaking and you will become a fluent English speaker. When you will learn to use the words you have learned in your own sentences day by day. You will. I told you yesterday also that have a pocket dictionary. Learn 2 to 3 words daily. But learning is not enough. Learn those words, know the meanings of those words in English, and then use those words in your sentences. Then to create the environment, you can find the partner. You can ask 4 or 5 of your friends also to come, whosoever wants to learn English. Sit with them, tell them, speak with them, and they will also inculcate their interest in learning English. They will also start speaking. They will see that we are learning some new thing. Always आपने देखा है, नई चीज़ सीखने में सबको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Everyone is happy to learn new thing. Now ट्राई टू फाइंड गुड पार्टनर्स. हो गया, आपने अपने दोस्त चुन लिए, अपने पार्टनर चुन लिए बोलने के लिए. लेकिन नेवर फॉरगेट टू प्रैक्टिस योर सेंटेंसेस. Practice should be very consistent. Consistency in practice, don't leave, please. This take it as guaranteed. And learning speaking English, you take it as a challenge that I have to learn English speaking within 1 month, not more than that. Now comes the main point, that environment you have created. Now how to create more? You just get up in the morning. Greetings. Learn the greeting words. Good morning, mom. Good morning, brother. Good morning, sister. Then you talk about your daily routine. Now I got up. Now I have to brush my teeth. Now I have to wash my face. now then I am to go to school, then I have to catch the bus, I won't be I don't want to be late in the school, then I will come back, I will have my, the small sentences of your daily routine, you go on speaking, learning and practicing them in front of the mirror or in front of your friends. In this way you will be learning English, you will be creating your own environment. So फिर मिलते हैं. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.